Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Indian natural skincare, a treasure trove of beauty secrets rooted in rich heritage and cultural practices. For centuries, Indian women have passed down these time-tested rituals and remedies, harnessing the power of nature to achieve radiant, healthy skin. Growing up, I was surrounded by these traditions. My grandmother, or Nani as we call her in India, would whip up these incredible face masks using ingredients straight from her garden. The scents, the textures, the rituals themselves. It was more than just skincare, it was self-care and connection to our roots. In this video, we'll unlock some of these ancient secrets, exploring natural ingredients and simple DIY recipes that you can easily incorporate into your routine. Get ready to embrace the power of Ayurveda and experience the magic of Indian skincare. Let's start with a beloved spice found in almost every Indian kitchen: turmeric. This vibrant yellow powder is a staple in Indian cooking, but did you know it's also a skincare powerhouse? Turmeric gets its golden hue from a compound called curcumin, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These properties make turmeric a game changer when it comes to tackling acne, calming redness, and evening out skin tones. Remember those pesky acne scars that just won't quit? Turmeric can help fade them away, revealing brighter, more even-toned skin. One of my favorite ways to incorporate turmeric into my skincare routine is by making a simple DIY mask. Just mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a tablespoon of yogurt and a drizzle of honey. Apply this golden paste to your face, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Next up, we have another skincare superstar, aloe vera. This succulent plant is a true miracle worker, especially when it comes to soothing and hydrating the skin. Whether you're dealing with sunburn, dryness, or irritation, aloe vera is here to the rescue. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes that work together to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and promote healing. What I love most about aloe vera is its instant cooling and hydrating effect. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin. You can find aloe vera gel at most drugstores, but I highly recommend getting your hands on a fresh aloe vera leaf. Simply cut open the leaf and scoop out the gel inside. Apply this gel directly to your skin and let it work its magic. You can use it as a spot treatment for blemishes, a soothing after-sun gel, or even as a hydrating face mask. Now let's talk about neem, a powerful herb that's been used in Ayurveda for centuries. Neem is known for its potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a formidable opponent against acne and other skin infections. Remember those frustrating breakouts that seem to pop up at the worst possible times? Neem can help keep them at bay. It works by fighting off the bacteria that cause acne, preventing future breakouts, and promoting clearer, healthier skin. If you're struggling with acne or blemishes, incorporating neem into your skincare routine can be a game changer. You can find neem oil, powder, and even soaps at many health food stores. One of the traditional ways to use neem is by making a paste with fresh neem leaves. Simply grind a handful of leaves into a paste and apply it to your face as a mask. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. You'll be amazed by how refreshed and clear your skin feels. Let's move on to sandalwood, a fragrant wood that holds a special place in Indian culture and skincare. Sandalwood is known for its cooling and soothing properties, making it a godsend for sensitive or irritated skin. If you have ever walked into an Indian temple, you know that calming, slightly sweet scent of sandalwood. This aroma isn't just pleasant, it's also incredibly therapeutic. Sandalwood helps to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and even out skin tone. One of the simplest ways to enjoy the benefits of sandalwood is by making a paste with sandalwood powder and rose water. Mix the two ingredients until you achieve a smooth, spreadable consistency. Apply this paste to your face and neck and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and refreshed. Next, we have a true pantry staple, coconut oil. This versatile oil is a favorite in Indian households, and for good reason. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can work wonders for your skin, hair, and even your cooking. What makes coconut oil so special for skincare? It's rich in fatty acids that deeply nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. It's also a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent, making it helpful for soothing irritation and fighting blemishes. One of my favorite ways to use coconut oil is as a gentle yet effective makeup remover. Simply massage a small amount onto dry skin, then wipe away with a warm washcloth. It melts away even stubborn makeup, leaving your skin feeling clean and hydrated. Let's talk about saffron, a luxurious spice that's prized for its vibrant color and delicate aroma. In India, saffron is not just a culinary ingredient, but also a coveted skincare secret, known for its ability to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Saffron gets its vibrant hue from antioxidants like crocin, which can help protect the skin from environmental damage and promote a more even-toned complexion. It's also believed to help reduce hyperpigmentation, those stubborn dark spots that can appear after sun exposure or breakouts. While saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world, a little goes a long way, especially in skincare. One of the traditional ways to use saffron is by soaking a few strands in warm milk overnight. In the morning, apply this saffron-infused milk to your face and neck, allowing it to absorb for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. You'll be amazed by how radiant and even-toned your skin looks. Let's talk about hibiscus, a beautiful flower that's a powerhouse for your skin. Rich in antioxidants and AHAs, hibiscus promotes cell turnover, revealing brighter, smoother skin. It's a natural exfoliant that gently sloughs away dead skin cells. Hibiscus boosts collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and reducing fine lines. Use hibiscus tea as a toner by brewing, cooling, and applying with a cotton pad. Create a face mask by blending dried hibiscus flowers with water or yogurt. Apply, leave for 15 minutes, and rinse with cool water. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and refreshed. Let's explore the power of ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb used in Ayurveda for centuries to help the body cope with stress. Did you know ashwagandha can also work wonders for your skin? Stress can wreak havoc on our skin, leading to breakouts and inflammation. Ashwagandha helps by balancing cortisol levels, reducing breakouts. It calms inflammation, reduces redness, and prevents future breakouts. It's also a powerful antioxidant, protecting the skin from damage. Try a DIY face mask with ashwagandha, honey, and yogurt. Apply, let sit for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel incredibly calm, soothed, and balanced. Let's delve into the world of Himalayan shilajit, a sticky substance found in the rocks of the Himalayas. Shilajit is a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants treasured in Ayurveda for rejuvenating properties. Rich in fulvic acid, it protects the skin from free radical damage, a cause of premature aging. It boosts collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and reducing fine lines. Incorporating shilajit into your skincare routine can be a game changer. Find shilajit in supplement form or as a powder mixed with oils or serums. Apply a few drops to your face and neck, massaging gently. You'll be amazed by how soft, supple, and youthful your skin looks and feels. Licorice extract has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for its skin-brightening properties. It's effective in addressing hyperpigmentation, those stubborn dark spots from sun exposure, acne scars, or hormonal changes. Licorice extract contains glabridin, which inhibits melanin production, helping to fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Incorporating licorice extract into your skincare routine can make a significant difference. Find it in serums, creams, and masks for best results. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare tips and DIY recipes. Comment below with your favorite natural ingredients or any questions you may have. Remember, always perform a patch test before trying new skincare products or ingredients, especially if you have sensitive skin. And if you have specific skin concerns or conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or a qualified healthcare professional. Embrace the power of natural ingredients and experience the transformative benefits of Indian skincare traditions. Here's to healthy, radiant skin from the inside out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more exciting content.